I choose to be loving. Loving is a choice. Now, it's only a choice if I know truth so that I have choices. If I don't know the truth, I'm not really making choices to do the right thing. I'm just reacting. I have choices if I know the truth and if I feel loved enough to empower me to make the choice. So, see the choice, have the ability to make the choice. I've used this before, like in tennis. I can show you a perfect example of playing tennis. Any professional match, pretty much. And so you can see the strokes. I can explain you the strokes. I can show you an instructional video. Then we'd go out on the court and I could take a really relatively low-level player and they would beat the pants off you. You wouldn't score a point. Knowledge, and then the power, the practice, the experience, love to make the choices. I choose to be loving because, why? Well, partly because I can. Because what would it be like if you were loving? If you've never really had that as a choice, how would you know? What would it be like? And how would that change the world around you? I choose to be loving because do I want to add love to this situation or fear? We all know what happens when we add fear to a situation. Explosion, it's a disaster. Well, but what would happen if we added love? Anger is the fuel of every conflict, while love is the seed of joy. So, will you add fuel to the fire of any situation? Will you add more anger? Or will you plant the seeds of life? Will you be more loving? These questions, if we ask these questions every time we interacted with somebody, we just couldn't be nearly as stupid as we often are. And I use stupid not in a deprecatory way, just stupid as opposed to wise.